Hello everyone. So today we will do our very important topic of English grammar, that is voice. So before starting further, we have to understand we are having two parts of voices. One is active and one is passive. So what is active voice? Let us understand about that. Let us take an example. Mohan writes a letter. Here, Mohan writes a letter. The verb is writes, and we are focusing on subject in this. So, Mohan is doing something. So, the focus is on Mohan. That is called active voice. Directly, Mohan is doing something. And passive, a letter is written by Mukesh. Here, the focus is on an object. And one word is written here where there Mohan writes a letter, so focus is on subject, and in passive voice the focus is on object, and one new word is introduced in this, that is by. A letter is written by Mukesh. So the focus is on object in passive voice. So these are two types, active and passive. Now I am taking two examples to elaborate you. Active voice, Mohan writes a letter, and passive voice, a letter is written by Mohan. Clear? Now Mohan. Mohan is subject in active voice and object in passive voice, and a letter is object in active voice and subjects converted into subject in passive voice. So this is the basic difference between two, that subject will convert into object, but we have to write the word by with that particular word in passive voice. So you have to understand that. This is the basic difference. And of course, in active voice, first form generally we are using, and in passive, third form. And by, I told you already that we have to use. Clear? Now, yeah, third form. Understood? I told you already. And actually, any helping verb also we have to use in passive voice with third form of the verb. Now, active to passive voice. Three important things we have to understand. Subject will convert into object and object will convert into subject. Second thing, we have to use by before the object that we are using in the passive voice. That was subject in active. Clear? Yes. So, nay object we have to use by with that particular object. And very important thing, that is third thing, that is tense. According to the tense, helping verb should be used. Yeah, by I told you already. They are pointing out for the same. Now the third thing I am telling you that we have to take care of the tense. Tense we have to use according to the helping verb. Clear? Now, yes, after that we have to understand basic changes that we have to do active to passive voice. I will convert into me, you will remain same, and it will also remain it. So you have to mark both of the words, you and it, put star on them. Yeah, she will convert into her, they will convert into them, we will convert into us, he will convert into him, who will convert into whom. Yes, as I told you in the three important things, that we have to use by and we have to convert them accordingly. Now, different tenses. Indefinite tense, simple present, simple past, simple future. So these are indefinite tenses of all three parts, present, past and future. So how you will recognize them? In active voice, simple present tense, we will recognize by first form of the verb. Always we have to use first form, right? In past tense, second form, and in future it is very simple to learn because will shall is there along with first form of verb as it is written in the column of active voice. Now, how to change? Yes, in active voice, subject, first form plus object, and first form will convert, subject will convert into object. Understood? We are talking about verb. Now subject, first form of verb will convert into third form of verb in passive voice, and definitely there is some helping verb we have to use, that is am or are. And by naturally I told you we have to use. Yes, now talk to about simple past tense. So we have to use, how we will recognize? V2 is there, very good. V2 means second form of verb. So that will change into third form of verb. And of course, was, were we have to put as I told you about the changes. So as we are having, if we are having singular, we will use was, otherwise were. In simple future, you can easily recognize will shall is there, but we have to use be in the passive form. And of course, by we will use before the object. So this is the basic difference in between all three. So let us take some examples. Police arrested him. This is active voice. And how we will convert? Yes, understood. By police you have to put. I'll tell you how. He will convert into him. As I told you a few minutes before that he will convert into him or him will convert into he. So he will convert into, him will convert into he, and arrested here second form is given. So V2 is there. So we will put was or were. So he is singular. We will put was with he and arrested. Rather than him, we will write he was arrested. Yes, I told you that if V2 is there in the simple past, we have to put was, were. So we are putting here he was arrested by police. It is understood. Arrested will remain same, arrested. Third form also is same, by police. Now next example, I play football. This is active voice. Form is first form, play, and football is object. We are taking football as an subject. So football, so as it is first form of verb, we are taking it, convert it into third form. I will convert into me. So football, helping verb, as it is singular, upside I have written. Yes, so football is played by me. I will convert into me. I will convert into me. Yes, football is played by me. So these are some rules. I hope you have understood the basic knowledge of voice